and welcome to break 3167 for the 2020 Topps Archives Signature Series Retired Autograph Player Edition. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Thursday, August 27, 2020. It's 11:17 p.m. Eastern Time, 10:17 p.m. Central Time, and 8:17 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Jack with 15, I Chef around 1, Michael 3, Robberman 2, Triple B Sack 1, Matt Sal 2, BH Ren 5, and 101 with 1. So let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams for the break. Jack's on top, 101 on the bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Jack on top, Michael on the bottom. Jack, Diamondbacks, Braves, Orioles, Red Sox, BH Ren, Cubs, Robberman, White Sox, Jack, Reds, Indians, I Chef around Rockies, Triple B Sack, Tigers. Jack, Astros, Royals, Angels, BH Ren, Dodgers, Jack, Marlins, Brewers, BH Ren, Twins. Michael, Mets, BEH Ren, Yankees, Michael, Athletics, 101 Phillies, Jack, Pirates, Matt Sal, Padres, Jack, Giants, Robberman, Mariners, Jack, Cardinals, Matt Sal with the Blue Jays, the Rays, Tampa Bay Rays, Jack, Rangers, BEH has the Blue Jays, and Michael Ashley, last but not least, with the Nationals. We're all sealed up. Whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. We have a 1 out of 1. Another one out tonight. Philadelphia Phillies. Ryan Howard, 1 of 1. Congrats to the Philadelphia Phillies. Very cool. We had a George Springer 1 out of 1 earlier. All right, then we have the Philadelphia Phillies going to 101 Connect. And that was break 3167 for the 2020 Topps Archives SIG Series Retired Autograph Player Edition. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J SPORTSCARDS. We hope to see you all very soon, and stick around for the bonus break spot. Thanks.